Hey guys, back as promised and with another DIY bedroom decor idea. Last week I showed you guys how to make an awesome light box. It was so much fun to make. You can put little quotes in it. So go watch that video next. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome light switch plate cover and a triangle garland using this awesome scrapbook paper. Let's do our light switch plate cover first. Come with me, let's go see my room. And this is my room, and this is my ugly light switch. Let's fix that. So first I got my flathead screwdriver right here, and I'm just going to take the cover off. Back to the studio. Now it's time to choose a paper. Guys, this is gonna be really hard. I pretty much like all of these a lot. Which one is your favorite? The cactus, the glitter, the flamingo, or the pineapple? I think I'm gonna choose the cactus. It's like really cute and I love the colors on it. It matches the colors in my room. I'm going to cut the paper a little bit bigger than the actual plate. You can use scissors for this, but an X-Acto knife and a ruler makes the line really straight. Ta-da! So for this next step, I'll be using decoupage. This is just gonna help us glue the paper down. You can use other things like Mod Podge or watered down Elmer's glue. That would work too. I'm going to paint some decoupage onto the front side of the light switch plate. Now I'm going to grab my craft paper and put it right on top. Just press it down and make it nice and smooth. Now I'm going to grab my X-Acto knife and cut out the rectangle. Now I'm going to cut up from the corners at an angle. That way we can fold the paper around the plate. I'm going to decoupage the leftover sides and wrap them around. I'm so excited to put this on my light switch. To keep it from getting all dirty, I'm going to put another coat of decoupage on it. Before I put this back on my wall, I have to punch little holes where the screws go. Alright guys, let's turn this light switch from ugly to fabtabulous. Alright guys, back to the studio for our second craft. So we are going to make a triangle garland. As you can see, I already cut out a gold triangle out of the paper. I'm going to use this as my stencil. I will also be including these other colors. This paper is nice and thick. I'm just going to draw stripes all the way across my paper. They're going to be the thickness of my ruler. Now I'm going to take my stencil and trace out little triangles inside the stripes. Now let's cut them out. We will be cutting 10 of each color. Again, you can do this with scissors or an X-Acto knife. Now we're just going to sew them all together. As you can see, I've already started part of my garland. So what you're going to do is lay your triangles out into a pattern. I have already done that. Now I'm going to feed it through the sewing machine with the flat side first. See how this is the flat side right here? You want that to go in first. Next color goes in. Now you just keep going and going until all the triangles are sewed in a line. That was a good one. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Look how cute it is. It just goes on and on and on and on. All right, time to put this on my mirror. Ta-da! Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which craft was your favorite. Also, hit that notification bell so you know when we upload more videos, because we have more bedroom decor ideas coming at you. And after we do all of those, we will do a room tour. If you like this video, you may also like the video where we made this awesome light box. You can put a whole bunch of different quotes and pictures in it, and it will glow in your room and it will look amazing. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!